What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. I guess I just want to go ahead and apologize about the lack of daylight. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's 5:33 right now. It's getting dark. It's a little ridiculous. I wish I had a little longer with the sun. It'd be so helpful with video creation. I literally don't have time. I can only do it on my day off. Obviously, I don't do YouTube full time. I wish I could do that, but YouTube doesn't pay the bills right now, so unfortunately, I'm stuck making a video in the dark right now. So there's been a lot of people DMing me or direct messaging me for proper use of words, and they want a review on the Xclutch. A lot of people don't know the difference between the ceramic and the organic Xclutch, and simply the main difference is, yes, they're both twin disc, but the organic is just a standard clutch. I don't know who's honking. But the ceramic is a 6-puck clutch. Therefore, it can handle more torque, it can handle more power. Overall, in my opinion, it's just a better clutch. Of course, I'm low on gas. But I will explain all of that during the review to the best of my knowledge. Today's video is going to be mainly a vlog style video. So if you guys enjoy these type of videos, like these point of view type videos and this vlog style, let me know. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know that you enjoy these type of videos, and I'll definitely be creating more content that's similar to this, taking you guys on drives, talking, just having fun. I probably picked the worst time in the world to make this video because of course it's going to be a ton of traffic. I really wanted to get on it for you guys and probably do like a 40 roll onto the freeway. Hopefully I could still do that, but it's a little after 5 o'clock. As you guys know, most people get off of work at 5. The freeways get a little crazy. So hopefully I could do something here for you guys. So good. I haven't been able to do that in a while. That is actually my first time really getting on the car ever since the clutch has been installed. I never was able to do a pull like that, and guys, that was uphill. That wasn't on flat ground. It did pull timing a little bit because we were going uphill, and it still felt stupid quick. Man, I don't know, that kind of scared me a little. By the way, on that pull, I don't know if you could see that, but right there, we hit a max of 28.21 pounds of boost. That's pretty impressive for a stock turbo. Alright, you guys, so we do have to go to the gas station, so we may as well go ahead and get this out of the way. Pretty much we're going to go onto Tune Plus's website. Click the little button over here, you know, that button right there, the menu button. Then we are going to click on ethanol mix tool, and we are driving a Focus RS, so we're going to go ahead and select that. It sets everything for you. I just tested the gas yesterday, or I should say the ethanol, and tested out at 90 like always. So we're going to enter 90. My target ethanol percentage is 40. Current fuel level, I always put 20, even though I know I'm probably lower than that. But I don't like overfilling my tank, so I always put 20 in. And current ethanol mix, which is going to be 40. So that gives the results right there. That is what I have to put into my tank to achieve E40. Alright, you guys, so I always drive the car in sport mode or track mode. Either one works. Of course, low on fuel, 43 miles to empty. That's why we are going to the gas station right now. I'm in track mode, so I turned off the stiff suspension and I completely eliminate the ESC. That completely goes off every time I drive the car, pretty much. It just makes for a much better driving experience. And 10 minutes ago, you guys saw it was fairly light outside. I mean, at least you can see what was ahead. Right now, as you guys could tell, it is dark out. And by the way, does anybody know how to get this to go away? I did the Sync 3 version 3.0 update, and ever since then this message pops up every time. It's so annoying. Every time I start the car, it says sync and check for updates when connected to a Wi-Fi network. I know that. You only have to tell me once, and I kind of know. So you don't have to tell me every time I get into the car. Thank you. Sorry about that little rant. So this entrance to the freeway has to be my favorite entrance to the freeway on probably the whole city. So I tend to have a little fun here, even though I know I probably shouldn't sometimes. It could be a little risky, but I got an RS. So good. So just in case you guys forgot, that is what we have to put in. 4.17 gallons of E85, technically E90. and then 6.95 gallons of pump gas, which is going to be 91 for us here. So because we don't have 93 in California, that allows for a little less power. Even though we are on E40, 93 would burn a little better and obviously give a little more power. And to the next pump we go. Alright guys, we are done getting gas. There we go. Now it went up to full. That was a little weird. I was expecting it to go right up to full right away, but that was weird. Anyhow, alright, so I think I'm going to call this video right now. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Ask me anything regarding the RS, and I will do my best to answer it to the best of my ability. And of course, guys, if you enjoy this new point of view video that I've been doing, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash, I know I'm never gonna crash, ayy.